Hello everyone, we also got the Huawei Pura H0 Velvet small flat screen at the launch. The models we received are the 80 with 256 gigabytes in velvet black, velvet gold, velvet green, and velvet white.
Next, I will unveil its mysterious veil for everyone.
Everyone can take a look at the design of this lens and its frame, which uses a brushed metal design, and indeed the texture is quite good. The back panel is the same, with a matte finish that doesn't easily pick up fingerprints. This one is black.
This velvet gold color is indeed quite eye-catching. It seems that many women might prefer this color, as it is quite striking. Compared to the velvet gold and velvet black, the green looks a bit fresher overall.
Blue.
The middle frame of each color looks very textured. In total, there are these 4 colors. The back cover of the device in all 4 colors uses a velvet-like friction material which feels quite comfortable to the touch and is not prone to fingerprints.
Okay.